Hi guys, you joined me in Gillingham. I am going into London to do something else today. However, I thought I would do something that I really wanted to do for quite a long time. And that is exploring London's railways. So for as long as I can think of underused or almost completely unused railways in London, or just interesting railways in London to go and ride on, I'm going to be heading out on my trips into London and riding on them, filming them, and just having a bit of fun on the bits of London that we don't really see. So today, I'm going to be heading into Victoria on the 8:27 train, and then taking the Circle or District line to Embankment, and changing the southbound Northern Line train. So, yeah. See you at Victoria. So, we're at London Bridge. I missed my train. I missed the 0827. So, my custom skin smart card. And let's go to the underground, which is this way, according to the signs. Not familiar with London Bridge at all. Although I will say it does look really nice these days. Since the refurb, it's not looking too shabby. However, it does have some distinct crowd management issues, which hopefully we shouldn't run into, but I'm not holding my hopes. This section looks really nice though. Like, this section looks amazing. It is a bit of a shame that they've got more shoppy shops than like food shops on this section there. I have a feeling people are more likely to want to buy food at a train station than makeup. So yeah, oh look, there's even a Cat Kidson. And a W.H. Smith without the food bit. They really haven't got it right here, have they? I mean, clothes. Who's buying clothes at a train station? And now we're on the underground. Northern Line. Now, the dealio is still the same here. We're getting the southbound Northern Line. Wait, why is my gimbal being... And again, my skinned ITSO smart card. Onto the oyster reader. My gimbal's going insane. And now Northern Line. All will be revealed very soon as to my plan.
This is a Northern Line train terminating at Waterloo.
So, I'm at Waterloo now. What's my plan? Well, I am on the southbound platform of the Northern Line here at Waterloo. It should be fairly obvious. Can't get on at Kennington.
Northern Line
But the
next
Kennington...
train to Kennington will arrive in 2 minutes.
Sneaky, I know, but The Kennington Loop has always interested me. I've ridden it once before. And these days, they don't seem to mind. Like, you know, because people do forget to get off. So, let's go on the Kennington Loop. It's quite an interesting bit of line, and it's not going to be around for much longer. So, move the mic. So it's like, because it's not going to be around for much longer, why not give it a go? There's going to be 2 in this first instalment of Exploring London's Railways. This one, and then I'm going to come back here, be at Waterloo twice, and I'm going to do the littlest underground line, the Waterloo and City line, which is very cool. I've done it once or twice before as well, and it's really fun. It's just almost no one uses it on the weekend, so it's just so nice and quiet. But it is rather slow. Anyway, my train's in 1 minute.
This station is Waterloo. Change here for Bakerloo, Jubilee and Waterloo and City lines. And National Rail services. Exit for riverboat services from Waterloo Pier.
And I'm on the loop. It was just as simple as that. Don't get off, and you're on the loop. Okay, I don't care that the gimbal's just turned off. I'm gonna hold the gimbal steady. And signal. We're stopping on the loop. This is where the hauntings, the supposed hauntings, alleged hauntings, have occurred. This sort of signal on the loop. If you're unaware, Kennington Loop is supposedly haunted. I'm probably the only person on this train other than the driver. So we'll just sit on this loop. It does feel very, very strange to be on a tube train in central London underground, and you're the only one on it. It's rather lonely, and to be honest, I kinda like it. This is the longest I've ever been stuck on the loop, actually. When I say longest, I've only ever done it once, but it was a really smooth run. But trains used to stop in the loop for up to 20 minutes, so who knows how long I'll be here. But it's nice being on a tube train that's quiet like this. The LEDs thing saying messages for people who genuinely stayed on, genuinely like forgot or couldn't get off in time. Just saying like the train will soon arrive back, and we're moving again. And there's the junction, and we should be arriving onto platform 4 when we get back to Kennington. From Kennington, I'll just stay on this one until Waterloo, and we will pick up the next interesting railway in London from there. The Waterloo and City Line, London's smallest railway, or London's smallest passenger railway, I should say. And it is the last remaining underground line that is a simple 2-stop back and forth run with 4 coaches. Was the Cheshire branch until the S-Stocks came in, but you know, I'll see you at Waterloo.
The next station is Waterloo. Change here for Waterloo, Jubilee and Waterloo and City Lines and National Rail services. Exit for riverboat services from Waterloo Pier.
So, I'm at Waterloo now. And now to ride London's littlest underground line to Waterloo and City Line to back. We're now passing over the train I just got off of, which is kind of cool. And now I just go to the WC, as it were. Waterloo is a big interchange. With the London Underground Northern Line, Charing Cross branch, the Jubilee Line extension, the Waterloo and City London Underground Line, and London Waterloo, former home to Eurostar. So I'm just following the signs to Waterloo now. Have I got my... Oh no, it's on my... Okay. So now... just go and do the Waterloo and City. See you there. There it is. Waterloo and City Line. I've just missed one. It's like a mini central line, basically. Wiggly, loud, and uses 1992 stocks. Waterloo, with all 3 conventional tube lines that serve it. It's probably a good 10 minutes until my train will show up, so yeah. Okay, now here's a bit of a nerdy question. What is the only London Underground line that is fully underground? You might say the Victoria line. That's actually completely wrong. It is the Waterloo and City line. Because look, there's the depot. The Victoria Line's depot is overground about there, just beyond Seven Sisters, and it's overground. So the Waterloo and City is the only underground, or the only fully underground line. There's the train that's come from Bank, it's going to the depot so the driver can change ends. And that is the Waterloo and City line. As I have said multiple times, it is London's littlest underground line. The next episode of exploring London's railways will probably be, well, the next episode of exploring London's railways will be the Northern City line from Moorgate to Finsbury Park. I'll see you at Moorgate. Goodbye.